Good morning, الإنسان. بالحياة we tend to forget. So when life gets busy, you get very busy. Outside your mind gets chaotic, a lot of thought, overthinking, and the body gets stressed. So let's do this simple practice of stretching, a little bit of yoga, a little bit of humming, for you to calm down, to come back to your body, and to give your body space to reset, relax. Let's go, الإنسان. I want you to sit, and we're gonna start with the neck. Bring with your left hand, bring your neck and your head to the left hand. And always breathe. In from the nose and out from the mouth. Good. The next one. Now forward. And back. Arawa, we're not in a rush. Now, you bring your right hand to the left side, you squeeze it with the left hand, and you rotate a little bit. And then this other one. Hey, 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 hey. Good. Now you bring your right hand up. You put your hand on your elbow. وبتكبسها لتحت. So your back gets stretched. Switch. Now, you put your hands and you arch. Complete opposite, the hip comes to the hand. I take a breath. On the exhale, I do the opposite. Okay, I'm gonna show you like that. Again. And again. The goal is to move the spine up, completely curved, and completely curved the opposite way. Good. Now, put one leg, hand up, and forward. You bring the right hand up. You will feel all the side being stretched. Now, as you are, you bring all your hip forward. Okay, try to keep the heel on the ground, and then I bring all this forward. Okay? Once this is stretched, now what I want you to do as well, put your hands on your hips and then arch back. Stay there. Good. Now keep the same leg. Okay. Hold your toes, bend the knees. Then on the inhale, you keep it bent. On the exhale, you stretch it. Okay. So in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Now the last one, you take a full breath in and then you stretch and stay there 10 seconds. Good. Now I'm here, I put both of my hands on the ground and I go low as much as I can. Good. Now before we switch to the last leg, last one, I put my leg 90 degree. Okay, if you cannot 90 degree, bend it a little bit more. So let's say like that. Okay, and then try to arch and stay straight. You have to feel the side of your thigh and breathe always. Man, I didn't used to like yoga or stretching, but I kept on doing them. Even I'm not the most flexible human, I'm like average, but it made a lot of difference in my life. So we tend to forget as a human beings, the purpose of life is for us to remember. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing with the other leg. So put it here. Okay, first left up, stretch the side. Oh. Now keep your heel on the ground, move forward and arch back. Good. Now forward, hands on the ground. Hey, oh, hey, 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 hey. Good. Now you hold with your hand, arch, straighten, and then back. Okay, we're gonna do it 5 times. On the 5th we hold. So 1, 2, 3, and hold. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Good. Now 90 degree, a little bit less than 90 degree. Good, 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 good. 10, 9. Good. Now bring both of the knees together, straight to the Now bring the knees to the side, extend them. Your feet should be 90 degree, okay? I'm not bending them لجوا. 90 degree, 90 degree, and then with my hip I move that way. Good. So it's small up and down, small up and down, small up and down, small up and down. On the last one, we sit with it. 2 and 1, and now sit with it. So you push, you will feel your adductors, you will feel all your hip. Oh, wow, 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 wow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back slowly. And now for the spine. You bend, extend them a little bit, and then once you hold the feet, take a breath and then stretch it all. If it's uncomfortable for you, do it مثل ما عملنا قبل. So you bend, stretch and relax. Stretch and not fast, but slowly. So you're stretching them slowly, and then on the last one you hold. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and now the last one, stretch and hold. 10, 9, 8. So woo! That's it, bro. And always remember, خير الإنسان.